Okay, I just wanted to show this as I put an SSD in this desktop. Um what's it doing? Oh, there's the BIOS manager there. Okay, see, I know I got issues there, but put an SSD in this desktop. Uh-oh, that's displayed out. There's hard drive, SSD right there. Um the first one's SSD. But anyway, I just wanted to show got a 5.9 score. That's the old hard drive score. I never did refresh it. Shoot. So anyway, I'm going to do that now. I'm going to refresh it. Maybe you can see this. I don't know if the video can see or not. Yeah, I can't put that up, but yeah, I think it's good enough. I'm going to refresh it. Rerun the assessment. So it's going to take a few minutes. Just rerunning it. It's 5.9. Its calculation processor calculations per second 7.5. This is before the SSD. RAM, memory RAM operations per second 7.5. Graphics performance for Windows Aereo 7.4. 3D business and gaming graphics 7.4. Hard disk transfer rate 5.9. It's going to go to, I'll go ahead and tell you, it's going to go to 7.4. And right now it is 7.9. 5.9. 7.4. It is now 7.4. The calculations per second 7.5. Memory operations per second 7.5. That stayed. Desktop area 7.4. Yeah, it stayed. Data transfer rate, it moved to 7.8. But it's going to go on a lower score, which is 7.4. I did not think it would go that. Did not think it would jump that high. But yep. Just wanted to show this video. Some people might not believe me, but now they will, I guess. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.